Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to our cozy creative world. Today's video is something truly special. It's all about the power of handmade X-Max decoration, ornaments, home decor, and mindfulness crafting. We will talk about how spending time on these small creative projects not only fill our homes with beauty but also improves our mental health, mindfulness, and family bonding. So grab your favorite drink, light a candle, and let's spend this peaceful time together. There's something magical about decorating your home during Xmas. Every garland you hang, every ornament you place brings a sense of joy and comfort. When you decorate your home with love, you create a space filled with positive energy, colors, lights, and textures. Influence and mood. Influence our mood. Warm colors like red and gold bring energy, while green and white bring calm. Decorating is more than beauty, it's a mindful act of gratitude. Each small touches remind us of warmth, family, and the beauty of togetherness. Now let's talk about crafting ornaments. Making your own ornaments from jute, felt, burlap, or recycled material is not just creative, it's emotionally rewarding. When you create something with your hands and add a part of your heart into it, you can make stars, a snowflake, small Xmas trees, or family name tag. It's not about perfection, it's about expression. The little imperfection make them unique and full of personality. And when you hang them on your tree, they tell a story, the story of the time, patience, and love. Crafting and decorating are powerful tools for mindfulness. They help you slow down, stay in the moment, and disconnect from everyday stress. When your hands are busy with simple repetitive action, cutting, gluing, painting, your mind becomes calm. This process lowers stress hormones, improve focus, and give you a sense of peace. It's like a meditation through creativity. A mindful, creative life also supports your overall health. It reduces anxiety, improves sleep, and boosts self-confidence. When we make time to create, we make time to heal. Xmax crafting is also a beautiful way to spend quality time with your kids. Children love colors, textures, and the joy of creating something from nothing. When you sit with them and make ornaments together, maybe painting pine cones, gluing a star, or wrapping jute, you are not just making crafts, you are making memories and they will remember forever. It teaches them patience, focus, and teamwork. Most importantly, it strengthens your emotional bonds. Kids not need perfect gifts, they need your time, your laughter, your creativity, and crafting together gives them that. Crafting brings amazing emotional benefits. It gives you a sense of achievement. It trains your mind to focus on details. It boosts creativity and problem solving. It fills your heart with joy because you have created something beautiful. When you craft regularly, your brain releases dopamine, the feel good hormone. That's why many people find art and craft therapeutic. It truly heals the soul. And the best part, anyone can do young or old, experienced or beginner. Creativity lives inside all of us. X makes spirit and meaning. Now let's talk about the spirit of Xmas. Xmas isn't just about lights and gifts, it's about kindness, peace, and gratitude. When you decorate our home with love and simplicity, we remind ourselves of the deeper meaning, connection, and compassion. The twinkling lights symbolize hope. The wreath on your door means welcome. The ornaments represent joy and unity. Crafting more Xmas brings this spirit alive. It transforms your home into a sanctuary of happiness and warmth. And here's something inspiring: your crafting hobby can become a small business. Handmade decoration and ornaments are always in demand during the holidays. You can sell your crafts online on Etsy, Facebook, or local markets, or take custom orders. When your work comes from passion and love, people feel it. Your creativity can grow into a source of income and independence. Start small, one idea, one design, one watch it bloom like a X-Max light spreading across the light. So today we learned that X-Max decoration, crafting, and mindfulness are more than just creative activities. They are always to nurture your home, your health, your relationship, and even your dreams. Every ornament you make is a piece of peace. Every decoration you hang is a reminder of gratitude. And every moment you spend crafting with love is a gift to yourself. So this X-Max create mindfully, decorate joyfully, and shine brightly inside and out. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this peaceful and creative journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY, mindfulness, and lifestyle inspiration, crafting ideas, wall hanging ideas, handmade decoration ideas. Wishing you a very happy, healthy, heartwarming holiday New Year filled with handmade love. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness. Thank you for watching again. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care. Hello, my beautiful friends.